Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Orbital Assets token. Ticker symbol is Orba, O-R-B-A. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 4th. So we're going to go over the info on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Orba is transforming how real-world assets, RWAs, are owned, managed, and traded by leveraging cutting-edge blockchain and neural technology. Our mission is to unlock liquidity, democratize ownership, and create a globally accessible, decentralized asset economy. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 4th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token is being listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section after this token gets listed and search ORBA, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Orba is the native token powering the Orbital Assets ecosystem, a platform revolutionizing RWA tokenizations. Holders of Orba can participate in governance, access premium tokenization services, and benefit from the growth of the decentralized asset management economy. As real-world assets like real estate, commodities, and intellectual property are digitized on Orba, Orba plays a central role in facilitating transactions, rewarding participants, and securing the network. Now, this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. There is a total supply of 10 billion Orba tokens. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Orba DeFi. Gold verified checkmark, 289 posts. It says here, redefining value in the digital age, pioneering asset tokenization, and decentralized innovation. 21,100 Twitter followers. Excuse me. And they have their webpage right there, orbitalassets.org. Now, going on today, a day prior to the Mexc Global listing, there is a Kickstarter event on Mexc where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So make sure you check that out today on Mexc, and then check out the full listing tomorrow on Mexc. So if you go to the web page too, you could find a full document section. If you want to check that out, it'll take you over to docs.orbitalassets.org. So it says, welcome to Orba, where we unlock the hidden value of real-world assets through innovative blockchain technology and neural tech. Orba is more than just a platform, it's a vision for the future. In today's evolving economy, a true value of real-world assets often remains locked, inaccessible, and inefficiently managed. Now, Orba is revolutionizing this space by enabling a secure, transparent, and efficient tokenization of tangible assets. They want to empower individuals, businesses, and institutions to unlock liquidity, ownership, flexibility, and global access through cutting-edge blockchain and neural technology. Now, they have the Orba approach, which is secure, efficient, and intelligent tokenization. At Orba, we have developed a comprehensive approach that redefines how RWAs are managed and accessed by seamlessly integrating blockchain. We provide a robust, scalable, and adaptive framework of asset tokenization. With security first, they have multi-layer encryption, sensitive asset data, and transaction records are safeguarded through industry-grade encryption standards, ensuring end-to-end protection. Also, on-chain auditing. All activities are immutably recorded on blockchain technology networks, providing full transparency, traceability, and auditability in real time. Also, flexibility by design. Tailored solutions. Orba's architecture is designed to accommodate a wide variety of asset classes, from physical real estate and commodities to intangible intellectual property. They have an adaptive business model, so our system can be customized to align with different regulatory environments, ownership structures, and investment strategies. And it's intelligence-driven. So smart contract automation, complex processes like asset fractionalization, revenue sharing, and governance voting are seamlessly automated using smart contracts. And they have neural intelligence integration, so dynamic data models optimize asset valuation, risk analysis, and decision-making processes, making asset management smarter and more responsive. So what is asset tokenization? At Orba, we empower businesses and individuals to seamlessly tokenize through security, transparency, efficiency, flexibility. And asset tokenization is the process of converting RWAs like real estate, commodities, IPs into secure digital tokens on the blockchain network. Why tokenize them? Well, traditional asset management systems are often limited by illiquidity, geographical barriers, and high entry barriers. Now, the tokens utility. Orba holders can propose, vote on, and influence key decisions regarding the platform's future development priorities and economic parameters. Unlock exclusive features like tokenization services, including advanced analytics, premium asset onboarding, and specialized consulting. Orba token is used for service payments within the platform's ecosystem, facilitating seamless and secure operations. Active participants such as asset tokenizers, validators, and liquidity providers are rewarded in Orba tokens for their contributions. And stake-based mechanisms ensure long-term integrity and robustness of the Orba ecosystem. So make sure you check this out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.